Welcome to this sacred time for Yoga Nidra, deep relaxation, healing, and inner peace. Please find a comfortable position lying flat on your back, with your arms resting by your sides, palms facing upward, feet slightly apart. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to adjust your body so that you feel fully supported. If you have any back issues, please adjust your body accordingly. Feel the surface beneath you and allow yourself to surrender into it completely. This is your time to release any tension, to connect with your inner self, and to experience healing through Yoga Nidra and sound. As we move through this Yoga Nidra practice, you may hear healing sounds that support the release of tired energies within your body and mind. These sounds are here to harmonize, soothe, and restore you. Before we begin, take a moment to set a positive intention called Sankalpa. This could be a personal desire you already have, or a wish for healing, or an affirmation for peace. I will give you examples shortly as well. Speak it softly to yourself in your mind. Plant this seed now, knowing it will grow through the vibrations of this practice. You can choose from these affirmations if you need. I release all the tension I do not need to carry anymore. I feel easier and healthier in my body and mind through my Yoga Nidra practice. I release all the tension I do not need to carry anymore. I feel easier and healthier in my body and mind through my Yoga Nidra practice. See yourself, feel yourself in that desired state you wish for. Let the rotation of consciousness begin. Awareness of the parts of the body. The consciousness should move around the body and keep on moving. Do not concentrate on any one part, but let your mind jump freely from one part to the next. Right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, right thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, top of the foot, right toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, left thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, top of the foot, left toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the back of the body, go to the back of the head, where it touches the floor, back of the head, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, whole spine, right hip, left hip, right buttock, left buttock, back of the right thigh, back of the left thigh, back of the right knee, back of the left knee, right calf muscle, left calf muscle, right ankle, left ankle, right heel, left heel. See your body from the outside, like a reflection in an imaginary mirror. You are looking at your own reflection in the mirror, and you see yourself lying on the floor. Your feet, your legs, abdomen, chest, arms, hands, clothing, nose, closed eyes, forehead, hair. Everything reflected in that mirror. Now bring your attention to the natural quiet breath. Become aware of the breath through the nostrils. The natural breath flows through both nostrils and meets at the top of the nose to form a triangle. The breath enters through the nostril openings, moves upwards and draws together to form a triangle with the eyebrow center. Be aware of the breath passing through both nostrils. Become aware of both breaths separately and simultaneously. Think of the breaths as starting separately from a distance, drawing near and uniting in the eyebrow center. Now listen to the sounds of the singing bowl. Feel its vibrations traveling through your body, from the tips of your toes all the way to the crown of your head. Allow this sound to clear any blockages, to balance your energy, and to harmonize your entire system. Imagine the vibrations of the sound to go to a part of your body, to your cells. You may experience peace, harmony, and balance. Now let the sounds of the rain sticks wash over you. Become aware if the sound vibration makes any sensation shift in your body in a subtle way. As the sound of the rain stick fills the space, feel any tension dissolving. It heals the areas of your body where you hold discomfort or stress. Now feel the chimes ringing in the air. These sounds bring clarity to your mind and open up a space in your heart. The sound is like a deep cleansing wave that purifies and restores. Stay with your awareness in your body, around your body, in your mind, like the lake that is aware of all the living things inside itself. As the sound continues to surround you, let go even more. Allow yourself to float deeper into a state of deep relaxation. There is no need to do anything. Simply allow the sound to heal you. You are fully supported, safe, and free to surrender. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your body. Gently bring movement back into your fingers and toes. stretch your arms and legs. Take your time as you begin to reawaken your body. As you return to the space around you, bring with you the peace, clarity, and healing you've received. Know that the sound and vibrations you've experienced today continue to support you even after the practice ends. Carry this sense of calm and balance with you through the rest of your day or night. Take a deep breath in, and when you are ready, gently roll to your side and slowly come back to a seated position.